Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a cottage style home from Adventure Homes. This is from their Lakeside series. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and as you can tell, they've got it decked out with the cottage look. They've got the wood accents on the porch. They've got the green matching my pants. What a perfect coincidence. Let's take a walk around and then we're going to go inside, have a look at the Lakeside series from Adventure Homes. If you're sitting there thinking, wait, what's an adventure home? They're a builder out of Garrett, Indiana, servicing the Midwest that has an interesting backstory. The story goes that way back in 2009, they started the company after the previous company planned to close its doors, terminating all of the employees without much notice. Determined to save the local jobs in Garrett, 3 people stepped up and started what we're looking at here today. Now they're building both manufactured and modular homes, including, but not limited to, the Lakeside Cottage series. Starting at the back of the home, you can see they've got a second entrance about 2/3 of the way down there. But by far, my favorite feature on this Lakeside Cottage series is the front porch combined with the shed roof. Now, typically a shed roof is going to give more of a modern look, but the way they have this one with the decor, it does kind of just enhance the cottage look and feel, in my opinion. So they've got the wood accents on the front, they've got the shutters, and the green, of course, definitely doesn't hurt as well. The front 2 windows right there, that's into the living room. This is kitchen over here, bathroom, and then at the back, these are both of the bedrooms. Oh my God, they got popcorn. Wonder when they're going to fire that up. I am a huge popcorn fan. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The colors on this one make it more of a cottage feel, in my opinion. Check out these other ones. So the green compared to the gray. The gray has more of a modern, whereas this is more cottage. And then they've got a dark one right there. So you can see how much the color will change the overall vibe that you're getting with this Lakeside Cottage series. Again, check this out. They've got the white. So if you're going for cottage, I think what they've done on this one definitely gets you there. Heading up onto the porch, they've got the built-in pot lights as well as a fan, which is always nice for hot summer days. Let's go inside, check this thing out. All right, let's check this thing out. As you enter off the porch, you arrive into the living room, and right off to the left, they've got an electric fireplace, mantle, TV up above. They've got the wood accents on the ceiling. Ceiling fan is pumping in here. Perfect if you've got it situated beside the lake. And if I pan over this way, you'll see a bar over there, kind of a peninsula off the kitchen. They've got 3 bar stools. That's probably the max you're fitting in here. But across the way, they have, this is kind of a unique thing because it's not a huge dining room. So you can either sit at this as is, or you could pull it out into the middle of the room when you want to use it. And then when you're not using, it just tucks up against the wall, which is kind of a smart idea, really. Let's take a look at this kitchen. So if I come around this way, you can see the peninsula set up there with the bar height for the bar stools. They've got the plugs for some kitchen appliances there. Nice deep and wide sink. I don't have one of these, so I don't really know what this is for, but I'm assuming something to do with washing dishes. That would be my guess. They do have a dishwasher. Let's check out the cabinets. Down below, nice open space there with a little shelf about halfway back. You got room for your bigger appliances like your air fryer or your blender in there. Below the sink, perfect spot for garbage. This side, same deal. That's actually, looks like it might be adjustable. Nope, that's fixed. Good to know. Same here. So I think they're planning for larger kitchen appliances down below. Lazy Susan in this corner cabinet. This is where I would put my glasses. And over beside the stove, they've got a bank of drawers. Let's see, feels like soft close. Yes, we do have the soft close. So on this side, I would probably put my bowls and plates over here, glasses on the other side. but that's just me. They've got the double door or side-by-side black fridge with Gatorade. Okay, I didn't know that was an option, but definitely good to know. That pretty much wraps up the kitchen. I'm gonna head down the hall, see what we got going on here. First door on the right is the bathroom. They've got the vanity with the mirror there with the built-in lighting. These always make me look better than I actually do. I don't know why. Beside that, we've got a bank of drawers, and they've got the cabinet here for the towels and maybe toilet paper there. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we've got the toilet here. That's not the interesting part. Just hang on a second. And they've got the overjohn, I believe these are called, last time I checked, before we get to the full tile walk-in shower with the rainfall head there, as well as the detachable wall mount. Now, backing up, something people always ask about, laundry. And there you have it. They've got provisions for the stacking right here in the bathroom. Yes, here's the back door that I saw, not going anywhere right now, but you could either put a set of steps there or another deck, whatever you feel like. Heading down towards the back of the home, this is the second bedroom. If I head over here, we gotta look in the closet, just see what we're working with here. There you have it. All right, let's cruise back down the hallway towards the living room. This is the Cottage series, Lakeside Cottage series to be exact. So the design is meant to go beside the lake. However, it's definitely big enough for full-time living, in my opinion. Here's the rest of the living room. I only got the one side as I came in. So you got the two windows on that wall. You got the window in the top of the door, window on the end wall out to the porch. Let's head outside, get one last look at the porch, and then I'm gonna bring up the floor plan. There it is, folks. This is my favorite spot on the entire home. Let me know what you think. Here's a look at the floor plan, and the first thing you might notice is that it's flipped side to side. The version I saw had the hall on the left, but here it's showing on the right. It is nice to be able to flip a floor plan to suit the location, and it is a fairly standard practice in the industry. From the entrance, it's front living room, kitchen. The bathroom's showing a tub shower, but the show model had the walk-in shower, bedrooms at the back, yada, 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 you get the drift. Let me know if you like having the floor plan on screen, because I'm on the fence. If people like it, I'll throw it up, but if it's not doing anything for anybody out there, then what's the point? They also have a larger 2-bed, 2-bath version and a smaller 1-bed, 1-bath version in the same Lakeside Cottage series. Because of the nature of the business and the fact that these homes are going to be going to numerous different locations with different requirements, an exact price for this model was not available. However, I know people want some kind of idea on pricing, so I'm going to give my best estimate. Just keep in mind that things can change based on location and options included. With that said, my best estimate for this home is going to be somewhere around $100,000, give or take. Let's call it 99 to 125, depending on where it's going and what's included. If you want the exact price down to the dollar for your location, the only way to get that is to contact an Adventure Homes retailer. There you have it, folks, the Lakeside Cottage from Adventure Homes. 780 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, with the cottage look. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.